What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the journey. Today is September 11th, Monday, and this is what the chart looks like. We're on the ES chart where we just rolled over to the December contract. This is the 2000 tick interval. But yeah, let's get into it. This is what it looked like right when I opened up the Ninja Trader this morning, and you can see the pre-market, the weekend, over the weekend, you can see kind of where we're at, and then you can see kind of moving up pre-market, and yeah, that's kind of where we left off today. So I quickly drew my trend channel going up. This looked like the best fit to me. Honestly, guys, it was a very confusing day again. I really didn't know where the market was going most of the time, because you can see we have this kind of nice trend. I mean, it didn't really test our, it didn't really confirm our trend channel, but it looked pretty good going up. Like, I thought maybe it was going to be a spike in channel going up. But then it started blowing past this, so I thought I was expecting a new extreme. Never really was able to get that, and it kept working down, and there wasn't a lot of moves on the way down, because I was expecting it to bounce back up and go up, but we never really were able to get that. And then you can see it just continuing to trade down. But one thing that was really important for me today was just staying patient. And it's funny because usually I get off earlier after I make a trade or two, and I get off, but I stayed on up pretty much till almost 4:45, almost 5, just to see the whole thing, because today I did not make a trade because I really didn't see anything. And another thing was that the volatility was super low. I really don't know why the volatility was low and why it was so slow. I'm assuming maybe because it's 9/11. I don't know. And maybe it's just Monday. But there was really not a lot of activity going on. Like, even when it's sped up in like 100 times speed, here you can see it's still pretty slow than what it is usually. But you can see that we started working down, and then we would get these little spikes up, and then it just continued to trade down. So I was thinking maybe there's a larger downtrend going at play here. I really, like I said, I was really confused because we were supposed to get a new extreme, especially after that break in the channel. Never got that, and I continued working lower, and I was just confused all around. I'm definitely gonna go look at Thomas Wade and Pat's YouTube. You can see their analysis and compare. That's literally what I've been doing, guys, to get better at day trading, and the price action system is going on YouTube and learning from Thomas Wade and Pat. So if you haven't already, I would suggest going over to their YouTubes and checking them out for yourself if you really want to learn the price action trading strategy. That's what I'm using, and it's been working. I mean, these past 2 weeks, I've only lost 2 trades within 2 weeks. That's pretty good. And overall in the week I've been tracking it, I've been positive. So technically I've been profitable. But we're still trying to make that prop firm. And we're actually really close. We're really close. A couple good trades and we'll be there. But yeah, right now today, Monday, just didn't really get any opportunity to do that. Didn't see anything that I really liked that was like 100%. There were some where I'm like, man, I should have took that, or man, I was like, oh, okay. But like I said, very hard to spot, very confusing, and it's just another one of those days where you're just like, okay, let's see what happens. I am making a new template for my thing right here. I was making a new template. I was going with a five contract, one runner trade, just to minimize my risk, especially since I'm higher up in the price right now, and so that kind of minimizes my risk a little bit. But if it's a good trade and I feel like it's going to go my way, I'm still going to do the 10 contracts all the way. But yeah, you can see I now adjusted my trend channel, like trying to, I thought it was a bigger channel here. And then as soon as I pretty much drew that, it broke it so easily. And I was just like, okay, what the, literally, I was like, what's going on? Because it literally broke it and just started going up. So then I was like, okay, was it going to make a new extreme to go down this way? To go break this channel? Or is it going to go finally back up and go retest the channel that I broke a long time ago? All those questions literally didn't get answered. And then it kind of just started trading sideways from there. And I was like, okay. And it was getting towards that time of the day where it's like, okay, it's time to get off and go to the gym. So, like I said, didn't really see anything. If you guys saw something and you took it today, this morning, around 3:30 to 4:30, let me know. I'd love to see what you guys marked, because I'm always trying to get better myself and see where other people saw. But yeah, today I really didn't see much. And then from here on out, it just kind of traded sideways. There's a lot of times I was going to enter, but just really didn't enter. But I'm going to leave it off here, guys, because there's really not much after that. Kind of just traded sideways for a bit, and then I got off. So if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, leave a comment. I do appreciate looking at everybody's comments and seeing what people have to say. And then subscribe if you haven't. I'm going to leave my most recent video here on the left, and then I'm going to leave my subscribe button here on the right, so to make it easy for you. But I'm going to leave it off there. I hope everybody who did trade had a good trading day. And everybody that didn't, there's always tomorrow. But other than that, I hope everyone has a great rest of the day, and I'll catch everybody tomorrow on Tuesday for the next video. So, peace.